Okay, quick video. This is a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe. I got the door panel removed. There's a good video on YouTube on how to do that, how to remove it. Here's the door panel, still connected by the wire harness. And the problem with my car is that I can't get the door open from the outside because the handle, the cable on the handle disconnected. So here it is. Here's the door latch assembly. The electric actuator for the lock is in there, and this is the part that connects to the handle. And you can see right here there's a ball right there with a wire attached, and when the door handle is pulled, this comes back like that and out pops that ball. So there's my problem. I got to keep that ball inside there. I'm going to try and do it without buying a new one. I think if I just cut a piece of aluminum, like aluminum trim for a window, put it on here, I can make a wall on this side. I'll fold some fingers around the sides. That should be strong enough to hold that ball in there. We'll see how it works out. Okay, here's the finished part, finished job. There's a clamp on there, tie wrapped. It's anchored against this post here of this thing here, and the tie wrap holds it in place on the arm down below, and this little upper part holds the ball in. It seems to be okay. I'll put it back together now.